Okay, let's start on problem number 6 for chapter 8 quiz access. This one, I already had the depreciation schedule on for 4 and 5, but let's start another one just in case we've got something else going on here. All right, so maybe we might go back to the other one and maybe partial it. I don't know. So Rhea Company purchases a machine for $117,600 on January 1. Perfect. Straight line depreciation is taken each year for 4 years, assuming a 7-year life and no salvage value. So let's go. Actually, why don't we go ahead and use this? So cost of the equipment is 1. Actually, let's delete all this stuff so we don't have any extra stuff in here. Okay, I'll clear out wrong numbers for a little bit. Okay, so cost of the equipment is 117,600. Salvage value is 0, right? And the useful life is 7. Okay, so it should get us down to a 0 by year 7. All right. Now we'll take this out and this just for that. Okay, now the machine is sold on July 1st, 2024. So let's do this little let's just put this in here over here. So we keep the string 2020, 2021, 2022, 2024. Okay, so now that we've got that, we know where it's at. This is the year. Okay, during this, each of the 4 years. Oh, so okay, so it took it all the way through to here. And then on the, during its 5th year of service, 1, 2, oh, I missed a year, huh? 2023, 2024. There we go. This is the year. All right. I'm only doing this just in case they ask us for like ending balance or stuff like that. All right. So it's halfway through this year. Prepare entries to record the partial year's depreciation and to record the sale under each separate situation. Oh, okay. So this one's a little tricky. So what it's going to ask us basically is this is what it's going to look like. All right. So we want the beginning of the year value of net book value, right? So beginning of the year, which is right here, right? So this is 5. So we're just going to pick this number up, take these out for now. No fill and no fill on that. So we're looking at this here, zero in on this one. So we want the beginning. No, we want this number plus essentially half of this number because it's 6 months in, right? And then we're going to sell it. So beginning value is this number. Less, and I'm just going to depreciation. Okay. So it's going to be 1/2 of that other number plus this divided by 2 is the net book value when we sell it. Okay. So plus that minus this. Okay. So that's net book value when you sell it. Now that's important to know because then we're actually going to sell it. So now if they sell it for cash, right? And we'll change the dynamic here for 50,400, then the gain or loss, and we're going to do gain as a positive, loss as a negative. Okay. So in this case, the cash minus the net book value is the gain. Okay. Clear as mud on that? Okay, so now we should be able to then change it for this and get the other answer. Okay, so first, July expense. We're going to do depreciation expense, and we're going to do accumulated depreciation. Is this a machine? Yeah, machine, equipment. Okay. And this is going to be for the half of the year of 2024, right? July, yes. So this is going to be, oh yeah, 8,400 and 8,400. Okay. So we should be able to see all this. And then let's go, so we don't use all of our check our works before we get done. Now, in the sale of machinery, we're going to have to clear everything else. So first, let's do the cash. And this for 5,400. And then we're going to have to do the net book value, which first removes the cost of equipment. Let's see. Machinery. Okay, so we want to do machinery. Machinery. We want to have the accumulated depreciation for machinery, and we have a gain or loss on the sale. Okay, these are our three. So on machinery, we're going to do the 117,600. We're going to do the accumulated depreciation, which is going to be let's take this number plus this plus 4 years of depreciation. It ends up being 4.5 years. Okay, so 75,600. Oops, wrong side. 75,600. And we're going to have gain of 8,400. Now, just to make sure that these all match, I'm probably going to not like it how I have this. So let's change this around. Accumulated depreciation, machinery, and let's put this as equipment, or this was machinery. So let's put this as 75,600 and this is 117,600. Oops. 117,600. Okay. Now everything should be right. That's 12, right? That's 13, that's 12. So the calculation, 5,400 plus 75,600, 126. And this should be the same, clear. 117,600 plus 8,400, 126. Okay, so we should be fine there. Now in this case, it's going to be a little different. Same depreciation value, but the cash is different. This is going to be 4320. So we're going to see a loss. Okay, so cash first of 4320. We're going to have accumulated depreciation like we did before. That's going to be for 75,600. We're going to have the equipment like we had before. Oops, machinery. Right, for 117,600. But we have a loss, which I should have done first. Let's do the loss first. Loss on sale of machinery. That's going to be 1,680. And then we're going to have the machinery itself for 117,600. Now let's see if we got it all right. Oh, answer is not complete. I got one or two of the numbers wrong. Oops. What did I miss? Answer is not complete. Oh, this is curious. What did I miss? Oh, I missed something right here. I didn't put in the gain or loss. Return the question. Okay, let's go back to this journal entry, view journal entry worksheet. Okay, we'll go back to here. And let's do the gain on sale of machinery. There we go. Now let's check my work. Okay, now we do. Voila. Okay, all is good.